Today we get to open my new BoxyCharm. And this month, I have no idea what's in here. None whatsoever. I was too busy to even look at any of the spoilers. And so I'm really excited, hopefully, at the surprises that await me inside my regular base box BoxyCharm. Without further ado, let's get it open. This month, the theme is sunshine, and I have box number 18. See what box number 18 brings us. First, from the Creme shop, Toasty Cushion Bronzer. The ideal product to create the perfect contour, and it goes for $20. Let's open this puppy up. It comes in pretty packaging. So that's the packaging. It's got a little push thing. Sponge. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Oh, it's wet. So, ooh, it's kind of a warm color. Should we try it? Try it on this side. We get the sun out. We use this little spongy thing. I'm gonna tap a little bit in here. And let's see. Okay, that's really not doing anything. Do you notice any difference? I don't like this sponge. At least it's giving me something to play with. It has a nice seal right here. Well, I like this. Toasty, number 1. It's actually the shade name is Toasty. That made me happy. And then next, oh, I got the quick color switch. And this, I don't have anything like that. With this quick color switch dry brush cleaner, you can quickly remove powdered pigments from makeup brushes without water. Reusable and washable. And this is worth $17. Directions. To remove previous color, swirl brush around the pad in a circular motion. Removes darker as well as brighter shadows quickly without the use of water. Used with face and eye brushes. Can be used daily without harming bristles of your brush. I've seen people use these, but oh, it's just a black spongy thing. And then you take it out and then it must fall down in here. Well, I like that because my brushes are really dirty. Next we have, oh, I think this was my choice item. The 111 Skin Pollution Defender Booster. So let's take it out of the bottle. My skin could definitely use boosting. And this, I think, is like really expensive. So it's just a little squeezy bottle. And let's see what it says. A daytime booster to fortify your skin against harmful aggressions of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. And it's worth $135? Holy. Seriously? $135? I knew this was expensive, but oh, wow. Okay, well, I'm not gonna put any on the back of my hand. I'm gonna save the $135 for my face. Sorry. Holy man. Okay, we're gonna put it back in the box so it doesn't like break. Wow. Okay, next up, oh, this is Brow Shield Sculpting Pencil. Hourglass. Arch. Oh, it comes with a little spoolie on one side. Oops, feels good. And the other side, oh, it's a flat, very flat, small tip. Can you see that? Let's see. Oh, this is actually a perfect color for me. You see that? Right here. I like that. Let's see what this, and this is by Hourglass. Micro Sculpting Pencil. An ultimate precision brow pencil designed to impart the thinnest hair-like strokes for microblade worthy effects without the blade. 1.4 millimeter tip provides complete control for natural defined brows. $28. I'm really happy about this. I don't think I need to read the directions, but I'll keep them in here. But I'm not good at reading any directions, so just to ask any of my friends. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, that was 4, and we have 1 left. Ooh. The Pure Festival 2.0 Pressed Pigment Palette. This is worth $36. Get into a state of intense euphoria with this shimmer-infused 12-piece pressed pigment palette that instantly coats lids in a dreamy, irresistible color that shines. Fully loaded with striking, light-reflecting formulas, these cruelty-free pigments come complete with matte and transition shades. Well, let's open this up. I'm going to have 2 Pure palettes now. I spent 14 hours ordering Raw Beauty Christie's yesterday, Sunday. But for her, I was willing to do it. This is cardboard, and it comes with a nice mirror. And then these are the colors. And those are pretty. Well, let's see. Let's see if we can put a shimmer shade. Alright, here's a lighter one. This one is called, I don't know. That's not the name of it. I just don't know what it's called. So I'm going to stick this in the corner. Eyeshadow. This is a really pretty palette though. Let's see if we put the green shimmer over here. Just with our finger because we're just having fun. Okay. Now I'll do this side. Kind of blend those two a little bit more. So we're just going to use our little finger and blend away. Oh, that's really pretty. Just with my finger too. I like the way that turned out. A lot. That really brightened up my eye look too. Well, this will be fun to play with. This will be a lot of fun to play with. It's a really nice box. So we got the 12-pan palette, the liquid gold for your face, so that you're supposed to wear during the day, so light from your computer doesn't kill you. We have an eyebrow pencil, which I really like because it's the right shade for, because thank God they haven't gone white, totally white. I got a brush cleaner, which I'm gonna have to use. That's why all my brushes are over by the sink, because I need to wash them badly. We have this Toasty Cushion bronzer, which I like. I wouldn't use this pad, but again, all my stuff is over there. But I do like, I mean, it's subtle, and it has a really nice mirror in it. And if you can see, that's the color right there. That would definitely be more of a contour color for me. I really like this box. I'm really glad I haven't looked. I don't know what else we could have gotten, honestly, and I'm glad I didn't know, because I am really happy with what I got. Everything in here I am definitely going to use. I will put the total cost of what this was over here. And I can honestly say I am really happy with this box. And BoxyCharm did really good. I'm really happy. And that's all I have to say about that. So I hope everybody else likes their box that they got. And now I can go out and watch other people's unboxings because I'm already happy with what I have. So I can't ask for more than that. So now I can be happy for other people and then not go, oh, I want that. And then get upset when I didn't get it. It's, you know, one of those things. You gotta play the tricks of the brain. And I got a really fun present on a day where I could really use it. Have a wonderful day, night, evening, wherever you are. And I will see you next time. Bye.